All right. I'll pull your power back. You have the controls, by the way.
Okay. Yeah, you're freaking me out.
I'm freaking you out. Now.
Gosh.
You're getting close to 60 now. Just come on down that center line. Speed is above 60. You're good.
Until 24, traffic 2 o'clock, 3 miles southeast on
You're
level
going to plane out close to the ground. Don't plane out early, though. Keep that speed up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, don't want to plane out.
So planing or flaring?
Plane out, like this. And then now, back on the stick. There you go.
I didn't do that. That was all you. That was all you.
And I helped you a little bit.
Nose down just a smidgen and a smidgen of left rudder. There you go. That's it. Keep that nose down. We're at 60. We don't want to go any slower than that. Now add your power slowly back into 3,000 RPMs.
Number 0 Mike, your left turn.
That's it right there. And just make a normal landing.
Turn over to departure, 0 Mike, Cheryl.
Fun.
Number 3 Golf Juliet, base approved. Following a Cherokee out final for runway 26 left. Base approved here for the offset, runway 26 left.
Sorry.
220 please.
Holy
6 on whiskey, contact shut tower.
All right, this is going to be all you. I'm going to close my eyes.
No, don't you dare.
November 50 Zulu, bases at your discretion. Number 2, follow a gyro short final, runway 26 right, clear for the option.
Runway 24. Sorry, 26 right, 5 Zulu gyro. Clear for the option.
I'll close one eye. Fly me down to a foot. That's your first thing. Don't worry about where we land. Just fly me down to a foot. Back the power down. We're still at 4,000. Whoa, not too fast. You're going to swing to the right. Straight down. Back on the stick slowly. Back on the stick. Back. All right. Bonk.
I'm lined up.
Yep, lined up. And when we're touchdown, your nose is straight. So his feet are on those pedals. You make little corrections left and right, because you definitely, when you come down to the runway, you want to be straight. Don't be off even a degree or two,
Yeah.
or else it'll go don't remind you. All right.
Bearcat 3025, Chino Tower, do you want the overhead and wind
Your airspeed's a little slow. I'd get the nose down there, you add a little bit of power to make sure we make it.
3025, and just to confirm you did want the overhead?
There you go. Basically just fly it down to a foot.
Runway 26 right pound to 2,000 right turns, report a 3-mile initial ident. Bearcat 3025, traffic 12 o'clock and 2 miles westbound, 2,600.
Keep coming down.
Side turn right.
Nope, don't lose power up here. Get down to a foot. You don't want to drop from 20 feet.
Okay.
Right in there.
Golf base turn approved, runway 26 right, clear to land.
Now what? That's an airplane landing. You just got to get here and slow it down like this.
Bearcat 3025, additional traffic up your left wing.
See how nice that is?
Eastbound, 3,000.
All right, off you go. Oh, bird tried to catch us. All right, coming down a little bit on the fast side. That's all right. Let's go ahead and pull that power back. Stay on the center line for me. Come on down. Right there. Wait. Back on the stick now. Back on the stick. A little more. Whoop, popped up. Save it.
Okay.
Now we can just add a little power and kind of pull out of it. We popped up a little high with no airspeed. All right.
Muskim 7 Air Kilo, extend upwind.
Extend upwind, so
I feel like I'm going to make the runway.
Add some power.
Muskim 7 Air Kilo, amend instructions, make right
There you
traffic,
go.
runway
Good
26
job.
right.
Got the nose straight.
Right traffic, 26 right, 7
Now you can wiggle your way down.
Gyrocopter 1 Mike Bravo is about 5.5 to the southwest inbound for paddle work.
After 1 Mike Bravo, Chino Tower, wind 230 at 7, gust 17, altimeter 3000. Make left traffic for runway 26 right.
All right, so you weren't straight when you touched
down. 1
down.
o'clock
Yeah,
and
it's
2
all the
miles
bumpy.
northbound,
Watch as you
1,400
land.
indicated.
Nose off the ground, long as you can. Stick full forward.
6 go traffic to
Rotor
follow
brake on brake.
Sets on downwind at 12 o'clock, 2 miles, 1,400
All
indicated.
right. We are lined up nicely. I'm not going to mention anything about how many people are watching, because it makes you nervous, so I'm not going to say it. Good. Remember, undershoot the target. Maybe you could fly up to it if you need to, or whatever.
We got a bird that's hovering right over the threshold.
Awesome. Okay. Keep coming down. I always check my windsock. Yeah, windsock looks pretty good.
Good afternoon, Chino Tower.
You are looking good. Airspeed 69. This is you're in good shape.
Riverside.
Yeah, nice. We're coming in.
Yeah.
Okay. Now pull back on the
Citizen amount of pressure, taking off at Chino Tower, follow us, Cherokee, upwind, make left down departure, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Not too bad. All right, stick pull forward.
Little bumpy.
Coming in at nearly 90 miles an hour. Well, you're not going to hit the
Okay.
26.
No, too far.
A little high. Pad power. So you were 10 feet up there.
Okay.
Oh, just come down here.
Go.
All right, off you go. And you know you're high, so come off the power. There you go.
There we go. We're at 3,000 RPM.
That's much better.
Yeah.
Probably just going to hold this RPM all the way to landing.
Okay.
Now you can kind of draw a 45-degree line to where you're landing, and this is looking good.
Okay.
Don't flare out too high.
No.
Back on the stick now. A little more. There you go. Much better.
All right, come off that power. Coming down. Oh, negative. You can't.
Power off, nose down, get that 60 back. That's going to get you.
I'm going to make the runway.
That's going to be 60. Yeah, we're going to be good.
Translate future, I'll call base for departure. You call base 63830.
Here at the pocket, what do you do?
Center north.
Nope, get that nose up.
Nose up.
Got the north.
Yeah, you want to slow this thing down.
Slide issue Delta 31, cross runway 26 right to Papa, hold short.
Hey, you were coming down like this, like a plane.
Cross runway 26
Stick
right
forward,
Papa, hold short.
rotor brake on brake, just reach up and do it. Back on the brake. There you go. You're lined up on the runway. Looking good. So the two things I concentrate on landing is, am I doing 60 miles an hour or better? And is my nose straight for landing? I don't want to come in all sideways. That would cause issues. So my toes are on the pedals to make those little corrections to keep our nose absolutely straight. Keep our nose down, building the speed up. Looking pretty good here. Slowly come back on the stick, Jeremy. Let's fly down the runway. We're about 5 feet now. Let's get down to 1 foot. There's 1 foot. Back on the stick. Back on the stick. Slow. More back on the stick. Nope, you didn't pull back on the stick.
My bad.
More back on the stick.
Okay.
All right. Off like that. And then our toes, so we can make little left and right corrections if we need to.
Okay.
Lots of birds here. Hey, coming off the power.
Okay.
Speed is still over 70 now, it's fine. Most important thing is keep straight. Coming down, the wind's coming from the left, so you have a left crosswind.
Okay.
And we're going to straighten it up by pushing the right pedal a little bit. Fly down to the runway, back on the stick, fly down the runway to a foot or two. Whoa, little winds here.
I didn't even feel that. You've got the touch.
Just touch the wheels down nice and soft.
Wow.
Power off. Stick up until our wheel stops. Forward. Brake on. Speed is perfect. Here we go. Get this and don't pull up too early.
Okay.
Keep me at 60 all the way to the runway.
Gyrocopter 2 Alpha Golf, turn toward the numbers, runway 26 right, clear to land number 2 following at Cessna right base.
All right.
November 02 Yankee, turn base, runway 26 right, clear to land.
Back on the stick.
Victor 26 clear to land, turn base, 02 Yankee.
That's the 4th, Quebec, continue northbound, enter our left base, east of the 15 free, runway 26 right.
Stick forward. Rotor brake on. Pump it up.
Trust 6 turning base for 25 for now. Run traffic, John 55, 3000 inbound from Paradise. We'll be doing a circling approach and entering midfield left downwind.
That was not my nicest runway.
November 5407 Foxtrot, chance out, roger, runway 26 right, cleared, low approach, on the go, you're straight out to preview number 3, following a bandage drop aircraft on a mile funnel.
26 right, clear for low approach, I'm looking for traffic, 07 Foxtrot.
November 07 Foxtrot, and runway 26 right.
26 right, clear for low approach, 07 Foxtrot.
Thanks.
And Heller Tank 47 has traffic in sight.
Tank 47, thanks, wind 24011, gust 18.
Dang it.
Copy.
PD-50 traffic, 2.5 southwestern position, northbound for Ontario, level 2000 Cessna.
Look over the traffic, PD-50.
White check. Wind 270 at 14, gust 18. Number 5, Quebec Whiskey, good square base to final. The traffic you're following just on the 2-mile final. Do you have them in sight?
Yep, we got them in sight, we'll square the base, 5, back with Chino.
Or 844, touch and go only, runway 26 left, clear touch and go only.
Touch and go only, 844.
Gyro 7, Papa Victor, turn right at 21, counter ground point 6.
Right at 21, ground point 6. See ya.
Hold that marker, thanks. Speed. Speed. Yeah, I know. I'm slowing down.
November 0 Victor Romeo, traffic on midfield left
That
down.
was a flare.
Yeah, I know.
Valley and technical 1,550.
Yeah, I know.
They're going to be looking 0 Victor Romeo.
Speed. Yeah. Now, let's throw it. And wait. That's it.
Number 2 Foxtrot Golf. There's traffic up behind it to your right, circling the field at 2,100 indicated. They're about a mile and a half south. Are you verify you're going to French Valley?
2 Foxtrot Golf affirmative, going straight through French Valley, and I'll keep an eye out for that traffic on my right.